Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. The brand Be Pure / BColor, you see both names on their various products, sent me a couple of items for me to demo and test and review. And so today I'm gonna be testing and reviewing their hydrating lip glosses with hyaluronic acid. They sent me both shades. Just gonna give you like a full, as thorough demo review as I can. We're gonna try them with lip liner, without, side-by-side comparison of the colors, let you know if they have a scent, how they feel, how long they last, all that good stuff. So if that sounds good to you, definitely keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I love to do a lot of dollar store oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that's your thing, you are definitely in the right place. So yes, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into testing these lip glosses. Again, by the brand BColor, we get the hydrating lip glosses with hyaluronic acid. So these are the two Be Pure lip glosses I am gonna be trying today. I have two different shades. I get Garnet and Fire Quartz. So the packaging says it's a hydrating lip gloss with hyaluronic acid. It enhances the lip contour and creates shine. They are 0.1 ounce or 2.8 grams each. And it says just apply as desired for healthy, beautiful lips. So we know hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin, and I guess the lips are no different. So I'm gonna be trying both of them, and I will do them with and without lip liner, just to see kind of how they do. So the packaging is really, it's very simple, but nice. I don't really smell any kind of a perfumey smell or a fruity smell. If I smell anything, it's a little bit of like a hint of plastic, but that might actually be from the plastic. So we will see when we put it on our lips. I will swatch the shades on my hands while I get this other one open. You know what I hate about some lip products? Especially some from the Dollar Tree, not all, but some, they won't have the lip color on the actual tube. So you like forget what shade they are. So this is the shade Fire Quartz, just a really beautiful, a little bit more of like a bubblegum shade of pink. You'll have to excuse my hands. They are just dry, like really, really, really like prune looking-esque. But then the Garnet shade is a little bit more of like a hot pink. Again, same scent. I don't think there is a scent. Like I said, I think I'm only just smelling a little bit of plastic from the container. So with the swatches, the Garnet shade is on the top and Fire Quartz is on the bottom. So the swatches kind of show that Garnet is probably the most pigmented. It does seem to be the brightest. So let's go ahead and go in and try these. I'm gonna do first without lip liner. It's going on very, very smooth. I do not taste or smell anything now that I'm applying it to my lips. Wow, that is just going on like a dream. And my lips are even a little bit chapped. The color is beautiful. It's just a very, it's almost like the perfect shade of a lip, if that makes sense. Like it's not too pink, not too peach. It's just the absolute lightest wash of color. And like I said, my lips feel super moisturized. They look super moisturized, and it is not sticky, not one bit. So here is what it looks like up close. Now we're gonna try Fire Quartz. Again, going on just as smooth. Again, no taste, no smell. Really visually a very similar effect. I have a decent amount of color in my lips, so if you don't, you might see a bigger difference in the shade, and you might like something a little bit brighter for your lips. But my lips have quite a bit of color in them, so I don't notice like a huge difference. We will do a side-by-side comparison as well before we go into what it looks like with lip liner. So here's a close-up of Fire Quartz. I will give you a little bit better idea on wear time, and I will have that down below in the description box and or pinned in a comment to let you know, because as I sit here and film, I do not know at the moment, but I will definitely let you know. So I'm just gonna take a lip liner. This one is actually from the Dollar Tree. It's from Wet n Wild. I didn't have anything extremely close to either shade, so I'm just gonna do the same shade of lip liner. So I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna do one shade on half my lips and the other shade on the other half. So I'm gonna go with the Garnet on my right, your left. This will help you see the difference in the shade as well. Now on the other side, I'm gonna go in with Fire Quartz. So you can see by my lips that, of course, this side here is a little bit more deeper. And this side here is not quite as deep between the two. They're very, very, very similar. And really, at first glance, you probably won't tell the difference. So in conclusion, I think my favorite shade is the Garnet, but really they're so similar, there's not a huge difference. This lip gloss feels amazing, looks really great on the lips. Like I said, I will let you know the wear time down in the description box once I get a little bit of a better idea. But yeah, a very nice lip gloss, especially for $1.25. Even if you have to reapply it every so often. I know I'm always doing that with my chapstick anyway, so when I wear lip gloss, that's no exception. But anyway, for $1.25, really, really nice lip glosses that I've seen them quite a bit at my local Dollar Trees. So definitely keep an eye out if you're wanting a really good, affordable lip gloss that doesn't, especially one that doesn't really have any taste. I know some of the LA Colors ones, they taste good. They taste like sweet and like dessert and stuff. But sometimes people don't like that. And I don't know if they're meant to taste that way, but a lot of them do have flavor. But these ones here, seemingly unscented, no taste, all that kind of thing. So thank you so much to BColor for sending me these products. They are really nice lip glosses from the Dollar Tree. And also comment and let me know if you have tried these lip glosses and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.